Megidewe ha, megidewe ha, megidewe ha. Yana told megidewe ha. Enuna idewe. Enuna na megido jensi no gara dera nyina ma. Megide mmụọ si na ọ gara dịrị anyị na mma. Megidewe ha. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are getting this video from. Depends on your location. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I welcome you, men and women. I say welcome. I welcome you all, the good peoples. I say welcome. I welcome you all, the good people of Biafrans. I said welcome. Today, I'm going to make a very short video because of that was something that I just saw on the news, on a report I just got on the news. I said, okay. But it was a pity that things like that, because of, before I will go to that news, because of why I'm making this is when we are saying that the state called Nigeria, it cannot work. It can't work because of the country is not mapped out for progress, it's mapped out for demolition. Nothing more, nothing less. That was the plan of British, that was the plan of the Europeans. Like here in Spain, a judge have told me that Africa is like a cross. When he said that, you know that he knows what he's saying. So they don't want something good to be coming out from Africa. They want to be seeing all this nonsense they are hearing, corruption and all that, which is, who are the people making that to happen? Nigeria is the most world corrupt country in the planet. You can't talk, there is nothing to discuss about. And who are aiming all these things are European and British Empire, Almighty Britain. They are the one. They don't want to hear any good news coming out from your country. These people, and then use the stooge, you people call governor, senators, religion leaders, going to the one they call president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That one, did you know the rank he received? That he received a rank. Did you people know? You'll be thinking, oh, he received a rank of this or that, or somebody who is bringing development, or who is... No, he received the rank of the most corrupt some person on the planet, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the most corrupt entity you can't talk about. Him collected second position. where Uhuru Kenyatta, the president of Kenya, collected the first position. You can't see them collecting position in something good, or they are creating jobs, or they are creating a hospital, or they are building your road, or they are creating environment where the people can drive. No, no, that wasn't the plan, because it's not even the plan of British, it's not even the plan of the Europeans. No, they never planned that, because they need somebody who will be paying, who will be working here and be working for their next generation, for them to able to have money to pay their next generation, to pay them their pensions. Because of, if you don't work, that's why they need your mineral materials, they need your human materials for them to be able to do what? To sustain themselves. We live in Europe, we know what is going on. We don't need to be told. So, but that is why we are telling you. But many people will be saying, why am I saying this? Listen now, let me bring this video before I go more further. This is why I'm saying this. Listen to our sister here. Our sister who come all the way from America. She come to invest in the country called Niger area. In Europe, what she did, she cannot come here to invest her money. She will be crying. Because of the country, it wasn't mapped out for something good. It was mapped out for, it's a corrupt entity. Where corruption thrives, nothing good comes out. Where they have your president as number 2, the most corrupt entity on the planet, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Listen to her. It's a pity, but listen to her. But for you people to know what we are talking about, because people will be hearing us, why are you people shouting Biafra, Biafra? No, because of we need a country that can drive, that the people can be able to produce. The people can have their jobs. The youth can stop then we stop traveling to abroad, saying that they are looking for green pasture. No, there is nothing to look for here, because of these people are utilizing this opportunity, taking our materials, taking our manpowers, come here to build their own. After all, they are women. Many of them are no more having kids. They have dogs, they have cats in the house, they have even pussycat. Many of them have snakes in the house. They are not ready, because of what? They say that to have kids is very expensive for them. So who are you expecting that will pay the next generation to be paying their pensions of the next people? Who do you think that they are expecting to do? It's you, African monkey. That's why you people don't need, when you see us shouting, we need a country that can drive, that can do something good, not all this. Listen to her.
My name is Dr. Kimberly Ellen Stark. I am from Chicago, Illinois, from the United States of America. And I'm here today on the grounds of that everything that I've worked so hard for, even from America to Nigeria. And as I love this country and I fell in love with this country, I chose to invest here. And as I saw today, before there were gates, as you can see behind us, now as I come here today, I can see most of my dreams and so many of our investments crumbled and shattered. I bought more than 6 plots, and I intend to buy more. But how can I trust the fact that the more I invest is not protected because of what's going on here? And what we are appealing today, and me as an American from Chicago, Illinois, I'm speaking directly in the camera.
Look at her. She's even crying. She's crying.
As I'm here,
Just this kind of rubbish cannot happen here in Europe. It cannot happen in abroad, even in America, where she come from. How do you expect somebody who come to invest into your country, into your society, and they being your own black sister, because of corruption? when you lose somebody like this who come to invest for your people to have more job, and she said that she want to buy more land to invest more and to build more industries, which the things that you don't have. Do you know what that will make her to not drive? Corruption. That is why you see our leader Mazin Nandekalo is crying so hard. He said, no, we can't live with this. These people you call your leaders, they are all animals. Somebody that come to invest in your own in her own country, let's call it she's from America, yes, but being a black woman, she is from there. She come and she choose there to invest, then took her money, then rubbished her. So what experience are you expecting her? What do you expect her to tell others who have the emotion, who have the mind to come and invest more? Like people like us who have been the victim of what she's doing. I'm sorry for her. But what I want to advise her is, the best way is listen to what we are crying for. We are talking about we need freedom, we need total independence from this animal kingdom called Nigeria, called British Empire. We need total freedom so that we can create environment where, as you come from all the way from Chicago to home, you can invest, you'll be proud of what you invest for. You can encourage others to come in and do what to invest. But with this kind of entity where you are now crying, it can't work. So this is why you see us, we are crying every day, we are shouting every day, letting the world to hear our voice. Because of those people you call your president, you call your senators, you call your governors, all these guys are all working for their paid masters. Who are the paid masters? British, Fulani, Europeans. The people deceiving them. Somebody like Tulumbu in the Western world, he can't smell the seed. But them encourage that for you because of them don't want something good to come from where you come from. They want to be like when the news come out that he was the second person, the most second corrupt entity called Tulimbola Medi Tulumbu. That is what the Europeans want to hear. And that fool doesn't know. They make caricature of your own country. You said that we are one almighty. What did you call that? What did they call it? Almighty zoo. Almighty zoo. People like us have come, want to invest. These people, police and all these people, corruption everywhere. In every sector, there is a lot of corruption. There is nothing to talk about. There is nothing to talk about. It's very sad that my people are still sleeping, watching all these things. High inflation every day. You are having high inflation. What is going on? The only time something good wanted to come out there, when Jonathan was the president of that place, what happened? What happened? I'm asking you, what happened? That time we are here reading that Nika area have the most high in the economy. Obama was there shouting that the economy is going high, that Nigerian economy is going high. They are in a good. They couldn't take that. What Jonathan was doing, they couldn't take it because of for them to see your country progressing, creating environment where your youth will have job, where you have a good hospital, where you have a good road, where you have good facilities, where you have everything. They don't need that because of when you have all that, your youth cannot travel, your young women cannot come to their country, so they can use them as the tools to have their brain. Then we harvest your brain, then we harvest the manpower in you to do what? To develop their own, to pay their pensions. Fools. If you don't know, and your president, they are there parading because of they know that after all this, and those have them bought in abroad and all the rest of them. One day they will just seize it. Who are you, Tinubu? Who are all these your monkey governors and the senators investing in abroad? One day these people will wake up and seize all of them. Putin, are you stronger than Putin? Then seize his property. Even here, they seize his property. In Italy, they seize big yacht that worth 500,000. Seize their property everywhere. Are you bigger than them, Tulumbu and your governors? You brought your kid in abroad. You see how things work here. You see that here in abroad that everything functions very well. I was so sad when I heard this news from my sister that come from all the way from Chicago. I said, I myself am a victim of what you are complaining for. That is why you see us, we are crying every day. You see us, they say that we are lamenting. Yes, let's say that, let's take it, we are lamenting. But we need freedom. We can't stay with this kind of fools that work for their paid masters. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you everywhere you are getting this message from. I just say, let me come out very quick and drop this quick video. Because of, for the people to know why. Because when people say that, why everybody, every day you people are crying for Biafra, this is the reason. The reason is we need a good society. We need a society that can drive. The kid we have in abroad, they can be proud when they come home. Then we'll be like, yes, we want to stay home. We don't want to go back where we come from. Everybody wants to come home and develop our country. That is why we need freedom to be able to secure our territory. We need it so bad. I say thank you anywhere you are getting this message. I say may God bless you. I say God bless you. God bless you. As you are receiving this message, please go to our session, USB Gospel. Please subscribe to our channel. Comment in our channel. Put on your notification buttons. Like the videos so that anytime we release any video, you'll be number one person to get our videos. Thank you. And from me, from here is good afternoon.